Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you how you could change fonts in Instagram stories. Now, Instagram stories allows you to put text as it always has, but now you could change the font. So let me show you how to do that. If this is your first time here, I create tech videos and social media videos 5 times a week. So consider subscribing so you don't miss the latest video. First thing as usual is we want to go to our stories. So I'm clicking my logo here to go to stories, and I'll just take a picture of a black area just so I could show you the text a little better. And once you take a picture, you could add text to it as usual. So that's the A right on top. So I'll go ahead and press that. And the first thing is the classic text that we've always had. So the classic text, you could change the size by using the left bar here. And on top, you could justify it left, right, or center. That's that. And then the A right there lets you create a background for that text. I could create a background, and then I could use these icons on the bottom to change the background color as well. So that's the background. I turn that off, and let me change the text back to white. And I'm just going to move this right to the top here, and I'm going to go ahead and press done because I want to create a second text to show you how to change the font style. So on the modern text, right in the top here, if I click classic, it'll switch it to modern. And with modern selected, I could go ahead and resize it, and I could go ahead and change the color. But this one doesn't have a background option, so I could resize it and I could change the color. So I'm going to press done here. Let me press A again. Let's create the next one. The next one is called neon. So I just press neon. Again, I could resize it. I could change the color, and I could just move it down here. I'll press A again to show you the next one. The next one is called typewriter. So with typewriter, I could resize it as usual. I'm just using my 2 fingers here to resize it. I could add background as usual and change the color of that background. I could go ahead and justify it. So the same options that you had in the classic option. So let me press done here. Let me just move it down here and resize it. And let me press A one more time. And the last one right now is called strong. So I'll just use that one. And this one also has a background. So I'll just do a orange background here, press done. And I'll go ahead and move it down here. And those are the 5 fonts that are available right now. But I bet just like all the other features on Instagram, they'll be adding more to these. So go ahead and play with these 5. They're a great way to make text stand out in your Instagram stories, and I think it really helped boost your engagement on Instagram. I hope you found this useful. There are a ton of Instagram tutorials on my channel, so make sure you check out the playlist for some of those videos, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.